power and original recipes that you can follow along to. I'm your head chef, Dylan. Today, we'll be making gray eggs and custom toast. I fondly remember eating the gray eggs and custom toast every morning in my youth. My developing palate was not yet ready for the bold and brash subtleties of the gray eggs and custom toast. We were all young at some point. Now that I'm in my 40s, I find the dish perfectly prepared for parties, breakfast, and those noisy in-laws. Take about 10 minutes to prepare, and it has a skill rank of 5 out of 9 saucepans. Remember, we've got that eye in the sky to help you keep pace with the master. Now, let's get to the ingredients. Here are the ingredients. 2 tablespoons of dried oregano leaves, 2 tablespoons of dried basil leaves, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1/4 cup of finishing salt, 2 eggs, fresh bread, 2 tablespoons of butter, a pinch of milk, 1/4 cup of cranberries, and some love. Now, let's get to preparation. First, crack the 2 eggs into the bowl. Next, use your French chef's knife and scrape the oregano, basil, 2 tablespoons of salt, garlic powder, and black pepper into your bowl. Take your whisk and whisk it. What we are looking for is a uniform consistency in the egg. Whisk it real good. Whisk it like you have to. Hold on with that. Add your pinch of milk. Hold on. Now we're going to whisk that in as well. Just like that. Not too much. The next step in preparation is to add 1 tablespoon of butter to a cool skillet. Now that we've added 1 tablespoon of butter to the skillet, we will now turn the heat on the stove onto medium heat. Medium heat. Now on to the bread. The last step in the preparation phase is to isolate your single piece of bread that we will later turn into custom toast. We do this by taking the pre-sliced bread and pulling apart 1 individual slice. We isolate that slice, and then we put the rest of the bread away. Now, to the cooking. The first step in cooking is to take your warm skillet and your eggs, and then pour the eggs inside the skillet. You want to immediately start to whisk the eggs. We want scrambled eggs, so it's important that we scramble the eggs. Don't stop. Stir, stir, stir. 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 And if you occasionally get egg trapped inside your whisk, it's important that you just rotate it. It'll eventually fall out. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Stir, stir, stir. You could see that the eggs have went from a yellow color. They're starting to develop a more gray tone. The trick is, you want to cook all the moisture out of the eggs. Then, what you want to do, back your skillet off. To our dry eggs, we now add another pinch of milk. We stir that in. This rehydrates the eggs and gives them their gray color. These eggs are now finished. Turn your stove off. Remove the pan from the hot part of the stove. You have successfully made your gray eggs. Now, we take our gray eggs and add them to our plate. Use a rubber spatula, scrape the eggs to one side of the skillet, and then put them on the plate. There you go. Now, on to the final step. Take the piece of bread that you isolated earlier and set it under the hot skillet. Take your cookie cutter and stamp the bread. Now look at the eye in the sky for this one. There, it's done. Remove your bread and separate the internal cut design from the crust. When we set the bread down onto the hot skillet, we toasted one side of the bread. Now we have our piece of custom toast. You catch that eye in the sky? Now we will move on to plating. The first step in plating is to take your finishing salt, take a pinch of it, all over everything. Don't be shy, it is finishing salt. Next, take your cranberries, put them onto the finishing plate. We're going to finish off our custom toast with 1 tablespoon of butter. Just like that. You have successfully made gray eggs and custom toast. Let's dig in. Wow, guys, I must say that this looks delicious. This takes me right back to my childhood. Gray eggs, custom toast, with a little bit of cranberries on the side. I must say, this does look appetizing. Now let's take a bite. I'm going to start with the custom toast. Mmm! Delicious, just like I used to make it. A little cranberry. You guys, this is good stuff right here. Now, before you swallow, you're gonna take some of the gray egg. Use a slotted spoon so it cools off faster. Put it right in your mouth. Man, that really takes me back. Well, I hope you folks at home really enjoyed this cooking tutorial, and I hope to see you next time. This has been Dylan's Family Kitchen, and you just made gray eggs and custom toast. Take care. I bid you adieu.